Inside heart scanner manufacturing technology. Heart scanners are medical devices that are used to diagnose and examine the heart. They are essential tools for healthcare professionals in detecting various heart conditions such as abnormalities in the heart structure and function. The manufacturing technology behind these devices has evolved significantly over the years, resulting in more efficient and accurate heart scanners. One of the key components of a heart scanner is the transducer. The transducer is responsible for emitting and receiving high-frequency sound waves that bounce off the heart and create an image. The manufacturing process of the transducer involves multiple steps, including the creation of piezoelectric crystals, the deposition of conductive material, and the assembly of the transducer. Elements. The crystals are carefully selected and grown to ensure their uniformity and purity, while the conductive material is deposited using a sophisticated process known as sputtering. Another critical aspect of heart scanner manufacturing is the circuit board. The circuit board is responsible for processing and transmitting the image data from the transducer to the display screen. The manufacturing of the circuit board involves several steps, including the creation of a substrate, the deposition of conductive material, and the assembly of components. The substrate is typically made of fiberglass or ceramic, and the conductive material is usually copper. The assembly of components involves soldering and wiring, which are done using automated equipment to ensure accuracy and consistency. In addition to the transducer and circuit board, the manufacturing process of heart scanners also involves the creation of the casing and display screen. The casing is designed to protect the internal components and provide a comfortable grip for users. It is typically made of durable plastic or metal and is manufactured using injection molding or casting techniques. The display screen is responsible for presenting the image data to healthcare professionals and patients. It is usually made of high-quality glass or plastic and is manufactured using advanced techniques such as lithography or vapor deposition. Another critical component in the manufacturing of heart scanners is the software that runs the device. The software is responsible for controlling the scanner's operation, acquiring and processing image data, and displaying the image on the screen. The software is typically developed using programming languages such as C++ or Python and is implemented on a microprocessor or microcontroller. The software must be carefully designed and tested to ensure that it is reliable, accurate, and user-friendly. The manufacturing process of heart scanners also involves rigorous quality control procedures to ensure that the devices meet the necessary standards and regulations. Quality control procedures involve testing the devices at various stages of production to detect and correct any defects or problems. For example, the transducer is tested to ensure that it produces accurate and reliable images, and the circuit board is tested to ensure that it functions correctly and transmits data accurately. In addition to quality control procedures, heart scanner manufacturing also involves environmental considerations. The manufacturing process must be designed to minimize waste and reduce the environmental impact of the devices. For example, the materials used in the manufacturing process must be carefully selected to reduce waste and minimize the use of harmful chemicals. The manufacturing process must also be designed to minimize energy consumption and reduce the carbon footprint of the devices. Finally, the manufacturing technology of heart scanners is constantly evolving and improving. New materials, components, and manufacturing techniques are being developed to improve the accuracy, efficiency, and reliability of these devices. For example,